In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most out of Photoroom using both the website and the app. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just looking to enhance your product photos effortlessly, you're in the right place. To start off, head over to the Photoroom website. You'll be greeted by an interface geared towards making photo editing as seamless as possible. Photoroom is known for its AI-powered tools that are particularly useful in product photography, helping you create stunning images with ease. The first step you'll want to take is to locate the Log In button, which is typically found in the top navigation bar of the website. This step is essential as it opens up access to all the customization tools available only to registered users. Once you've clicked Log In, you'll be presented with various options to sign up or log in. If you prefer the traditional approach, you can continue with your personal or work email. However, for the purpose of this guide, we'll focus on the more efficient method, using Google for a streamlined sign-up process. Look for the option labeled Continue with Google and go ahead and click on it. If you're already signed into your browser, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Simply select the account you wish to use for Photoroom access or enter the necessary credentials if you're not signed in yet. The convenience of using Google here cannot be overstated, as it not only simplifies the sign-up process, but also enhances security by linking your Google account to Photoroom. After confirming the account you wish to use, Photoroom will automatically register you, ensuring your account is swiftly set up and ready to go. Once your account is set up, you can dive into the vast array of editing tools Photoroom offers. The platform's intuitive nature makes it quite user-friendly, even for those not tech-savvy, and its AI-driven editing features can take your product shots to the next level with minimal effort. From background removal to precise cropping, Photoroom covers all the essentials to polish your visuals effortlessly. To summarize, starting your journey with Photoroom is a straightforward process. By utilizing Google's easy sign-up integration, you open the doors to a suite of tools that will revolutionize how you edit and enhance your photos. Remember, with Photoroom, the power to transform your images into professional-grade visuals is at your fingertips. So get started, explore the tools, and watch as your photography skills soar to new heights.